So first things first, if you're going to Yosemite, you're probably wondering, well, what's the weather going to be like? Well, it's going to be quite wide-ranging. During tourist season, which is typically late June to around mid-September, the temperature can actually range very significantly between the valley floor, which is around at 4,000 feet, to the high peaks region, which is around 10,000 to 11,000 feet of elevation at some of the high peaks. So the temperature range can be very, very wide. Nighttime lows can be somewhere in the 25 to 30 degree Fahrenheit, which is around -4 to around freezing temperature, so 0 degrees centigrade, to in the high during the day, you can expect temperature to rise to around 85 degrees or even up to 100 degrees in deep summer. That's Fahrenheit, and so in Celsius, that will be around 27 degrees to about 32 degrees centigrade. Precipitation-wise, you shouldn't expect too much falling precipitation. This is historically the driest season of the year. But that said, afternoon showers and thunderstorms that don't typically last long do happen and can happen in any summer day. So if you're planning a trip, those are the conditions that you should be looking out for.